What are you waiting for? Hmm? Wait, 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 Jack. You gotta wait. Let's see how long it'll take for you. Have to wait, Jack. Wait, Jack. Wait, wait. Come on. Let's see now how long he'll want to eat it. All right, guys. Let's start counting. Start counting. Let's see how long he'll wait until he'll want to just take it and eat it. He's looking at me, waiting for me to tell him to eat it. Let's see how long he'll take. You're waiting for me to tell you go ahead, huh? Trying to look away. You want to eat it? It looks tasty. Wait, Alright, guys, tell me how long it took Jack to eat that. I wasn't paying attention of the time. Alright, that's it. You can't have no more cookies. It's just a tiny little bit, that's all. He loves it. He's eating this mini vanilla thing. Nope. Sorry, dude. You can't eat that.